Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to reset Chrome to default settings and how to reset your Chrome startup page. First of all, you can try to do it manually. To do this, click on the pencil icon at the bottom right corner. After that, you can customize your Chrome bookmarks and journeys. You can change theme or you can reset theme to classic Chrome. It's good, and you can change the classic theme color. That's good. If the appearance of Google Chrome start page still doesn't suit you, then proceed to automatically reset the start page settings. To do this, click on three dots at the top right of the screen. Next, select Settings, and here click on Reset Settings. On this page, select the only option Restore settings to their original defaults. This will reset your startup page, View tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks. Important that your bookmarks history and saved passwords will not be cleared. To return to default settings, just click the Reset Settings button. If you want to clear other data, then select the Privacy and Security item and select Clear Browsing Data. Here you can clear browsing history, cached images and files, and even download history, passwords, autofill form data, and other settings. To do this, select necessary data and click on Clear Data. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, have a nice day, see you next time.